So why is it that this great three-step process that I am sharing with you for preventing and resolving stress and worry is not known? Why is it that everybody does not know that you can prevent and resolve stress? So your brain is saying, oh, if this was true, I'd know about it. That's what I thought too. But then I understood this. Science is always ahead of the medical field. Okay? And so it is understandable that the medical field doesn't just jump on and start sharing alternative options that are out there. Okay? They feel that there is more proof needed. And so that's understandable. That's actually applaudable, right? So does that mean, though, that we ourselves cannot go out there and research the information that others have been doing? And that's what's been happening for the past 30 plus years. Others researched, they started coming up with techniques, understanding science. Science is way ahead. They're saying this stuff. People are finding it and they're knowing how to use it. Okay? And that's actually how I ended up finding about it. And I'm sharing the resources so people can know that it's out there. See, I decided I was going to apply and be my own proof. It's okay if the medical field was not saying, hey, we have this great data of proof and yada, 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 yada. And so we're telling everyone. I'm sure they will. I guarantee you. This will be something that is in mainstream. But right now, it's like an alternative. It's like, But see, I am my own proof. So I get the benefit now because I made myself my own proof. You can do that too. You can do that too. You can decide to do that too and reap the benefits. So, yes, science is always ahead of the medical field. They can only put out what science comes up with, and that science gives enough information for them to go ahead and include it in their education. So, I hope that gives you a satisfactory answer.